I'm back. And I am gonna react to two more music videos today. One for I have been stalling quite a few times because I didn't get a chance to actually to record my reaction to this, and it was released on the 9th of August this year, and it's Summer Storm by Jessica Jung, CEO Jung of Blank and Eclair, and I just want to say she's my ultimate bias. Even after she have gone out of my favorite group, my ultimate group, guess we're still supporting her in our hearts, even though we're always wanting OT9. I guess we just have to keep supporting whatever the members do, even if they're out and about. So we're gonna do Jessica's Summer Storm official music video now, and let's get into it. Where is it? Oh, okay. Let's go. Okay, she comes in. Her voice never fails to make me feel butterfly inside. She's in a right place. I would eat a cake. It's quite a reverse. She looks like Shindy now. Oh, cute! Is the house in every of her music video the same though? She's so pretty. How I wish that was my view instead of hers. Instead of his. Her fashion is like so on point. How I wish I could be. Cute. I never actually liked those fix now. It's reversing. Time's reversing. I'm glad to see her happy though. Oh, guess what? We had the same hair today. She's happy. She's finally letting me go. One word, beautiful. My eyes are in tears right now, threatening to fall out, but I won't let that happen because We can't cry for Jessica. We have to stay strong for Jessica so she can stay strong for us too. And being more biased to this, of course, I like her music all in all. Even if some of them didn't really like capture my heart, I still feel there's her songs are like mostly a little upbeat, and her soft singing voice is like complementing to the upbeatness, so it makes it really really popish. And for me, I think this would be like my second next favorite song after Wonderland, because Wonderland is more happier vibes. 나 마치 shooting star, daydream, cotton candy, 넌 내 fantasy. 이 달콤한 기분은 뭐? Oh, you give me butterflies. 날아볼까 느껴보는 감정이야 난. 이 달콤한 기분은 뭐? Oh, this is my kind of wonderland. This one is more like sentiments and emotions, and oh come on, I mean look at the music video. She's reminiscing the party she went to and the guy and this and that and all the other situations and the theories that all the stones and golden stars have came out about, and so many to think about. But I enjoy her music. I enjoy whatever she's doing right now, and let's all just keep supporting her and let's not make fan war, please. So until next time, I'll see you.